In today's video, I'll show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Now, it doesn't really matter where you are on Snapchat. If you look on the top left-hand side of the screen, you'll see your Bitmoji. Now, you'll see I have public profile on the right. And if you don't have that, what you need to do is scroll all the way down till you see the public profile option and click on that. And that'll make a public profile for you. And once you have that, of course, you'll be able to access it whenever you need to by the button on the top here. Now, if you don't have that option, there are a few possibilities. For one, you have violated community guidelines in the past, or the one that's usually the culprit is that you have not set your birthday. So if we go back here and click on the top right on this cog, you're going to see the option here that says birthday. You want to click on that and set your birthday. And then you can go back and check if you have access to the public profile. And that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.